See, you baiting the shit out of me worked.
And baiting the shit out of our team?
Yep.
Like my biggest fear was squirrels. I'm so genuine about that. Don't know why. Can you pick up my Spectre?
Yeah, I guess I can.
Thanks. I had a nightmare when I was younger. Okay, I was really fuck up. I was really young. Okay, and I loved squirrels, and so I was like, I'm gonna feed this squirrel. I like walk over to it and I'm trying to feed it, and it punches me in the face, and I black out. And I've been scared of squirrels ever since.
Doesn't even like bite you. You're scared of getting knocked out by a squirrel.
One more. Out.
120 on bomb.
Last one was nice.
Oh my god.
No, I'm talking to the voices in my head right now, trying to figure out what the fuck's going on.
Can you silence him?
Silence me? Sorry.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that would require him to kill himself, so.
True. It is true.
It's a good thing the enemies didn't shoot back.
No, I'm gonna call him York because it's J's are pronounced like Y's in Serbia.
Are you Serbian?
No. No. What part of me seems Serbian?
Oh.
It's 40. He's double.
What am I playing?
You got
Oh my god. Holy fuck, man.
Whack
Okay. To be fair,
No, I just have a lot of friends from Serbia that I talk to.
like, it's not like most people are like, oh, yeah, J's are pronounced like Y's in Serbia, and then they're not fucking Serbian. Shaquille O'Neal's having a round.
Shaquille O'Neal's having a round, guys. We gotta stop him.
Did you just say exactly what I just said? Back in my country, Serbia, we pronounce J's as Y.
I didn't say back in my country.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Hey. Oh, that scared me.
There's no way that scared you.
Oh my god, it follows you. Can I not pick Reyna? I feel like I'm trolling.
What the heck? I thought you were gonna play something else.
This is my Reyna day.
So why were you complaining about it just a second ago?
Because it's-
And then insta-lock Serena.
That's what I'm saying.
Holy shit.
Gee, are you guys brain dead?
Alright, do I play? Or do we
Don't play,
or do
don't
we
play,
remake?
don't play, don't
Don't
play,
play?
don't
You guys are
play.
actually brain dead.
Don't play.
Got you. Yeah, I can actually tell why you don't want to. Don't worry. Yeah, I can tell why. Never mind.
Don't play.
Holy shit.
Right now.
What's up? He's
You're
back, but
remaking?
we're just gonna remake.
The remake.
Yeah.
Yep, if you die in your house, the cat's eating you.
As it should. What the fuck? I wish my dog would do that. Dude. She's just so much
I cannot see
smarter
this guy
than
to save
me.
my life because of this fucking Viper wall.
26 on site behind you.
Dude, I hit
It's like,
all the killjoy util.
oh,
Every
yeah,
time.
let's go there too.
I fought her turret, and I fought her alarm bot.
And you fought her.
And I fought
You
her!
fought her.
Cats are opportunists. The second you stop feeding them, I guarantee they will fucking ditch your ass.
I could not see her. I was just fucking spraying into the abyss.
Nope, it probably wouldn't. You know why?
My dog would fucking starve itself.
It would starve itself before it fucking ate you. It would starve itself.
I don't want
You're
loyalty
kidding
like that. Like, if my dog needed to fucking... If my animal needed to eat and I was dead, I don't give a fuck what happens to my
You
dead
don't want
body.
loyalty like that? You
Oh no.
I've got a great lurk going on, don't worry.
See,
Wall down.
What the fuck?
Also,
I
What
just
happened?
watched Sarah literally fucking dink that jet out of existence.
Dog, you
Like,
wouldn't
let's
want
say you're on a fucking island with your friend, okay? And your friend dies, and you need to fucking eat something or you're gonna starve. You eat their dead corpse. You don't fucking let yourself die because you're like, the loyalty to my friend. Your friend does not give a fuck.
I
They're
don't know.
dead.
No, that's
you win that. You win that. Come on. Headshot. Headshot. Okay. Sarah, please take your time. Sarah. Thank you.
okay, but just the fact that the dog wouldn't bring itself to do that. And
The dog is fucking
it's over-
stupid.
No,
It
no,
should
no.
do. It should eat.
It might be stupid. It might be stupid. Sure, but the fact that the dog overlooks its fucking desire to survive.
I'm in.
That's
Like the dog is a fucking real one.
That could be Hall.
One enemy remaining.
Holy
Nice
shit.
surprise.
You
Dog
want
having
loyalty
emotion-
even when you're
And-
dead?
No, I don't want it, but the fact that the dog would fucking turn or would side with that loyalty just goes to show like it might not be the fucking smartest thing as far as survival goes, but
It absolutely is
fact-
not the smartest thing as
it's
far as
not.
survival goes.
okay, but still the loyalty is still there and I have to fucking respect that.
Well, that's the thing.
Step A.
I need some encouragement after what I
I
just
give
did.
you a very nice
Look,
high five.
look, Sarah.
Hmm
You know that you are the most talented fucking Reina in this game.
Don't lie to her.
In this fucking game.
You should have
Yeah.
seen me fight.
I don't give a fuck what happened. It was a one-time thing. Okay? You're the most fucking talented person in this game.
Okay.
I don't want to hear it.
One-time thing that will be replayed for centuries.
I don't know about that.
And then that's how people start. That's why people get cats in the first place because they think they like to convince themselves, my cat loves me for me, and they just like they just like lying to themselves and thinking that they're fucking something special or some shit, and their cat just fucks with them heavy for the entire reason of just the fuck of it.
I think your cat can like you.
That's it.
Yep. That's what I say.
The
And
absence
that's
of those
fucking
reasons.
dumb.
And the
That's
other
dumb.
one won't.
Blindly
And the
standing
other
by
one
someone's
won't.
side who
That
doesn't
is
give
loyalty.
a fuck about you.
That is called loyalty.
No, it's called being stupid. It's being
No.
stupid.
It's
Yellow and I can barely fucking see him. This game is ridiculous.
Ooh.
Nice. We can rotate off this.
Shit's, oh,
Nice.
Like the fucking dog would rather die than even think about eating its owner.
And you don't see a problem with that.
There may be a problem because the dog's dying, but that's not how the world works. Everything isn't just pure logistics and fucking survival. Emotion
There
is
may be a problem because the dog's dying, but hey, that's not how the world works. But... Oh, okay.
any other. That's easy. It's easy to just put aside your fucking emotion and
It's
be
easy
selfish.
to be stupid. It's easy to be so stupid.
selfish. It's easy to be
It's
selfish.
easy to be so fucking stupid. The dogs aren't doing anything. There's no thought process
it may
behind
be
those,
easy
that
to be,
brain. It's
yes,
like,
there is.
oh, I love humans, so I'm gonna die here.
That is the thought process.
That's stupid.
And you acknowledge
That's
that.
so
You acknowledge
dumb.
that.
That's
No,
so
that's
dumb.
not dumb.
In their A.
I'm lagging there. Fuck KO's wall, bro. What's this guy? Nice, Sarah. Rest stay alive. Are they already on too?
I just want to fucking heal myself. Yeah, they're on.
Wait, bomb's down mid
Fighting
sight.
fucking war. I think they're both short. Here, shoot the fucking eye, Chebin.
One enemy remaining.
It's outside U-Haul.
Wait, in his shit. What the
What
fuck?
the fuck am I
We literally-
playing?
Dude, he literally just ran out as soon as.
By their grave when they die. They literally
Okay.
visit their fucking
If
grave.
it was me and you
and lay
on a
by it.
fucking,
I've never seen a
on
cat do that.
like just trapped in a house, okay, and you fucking die, it's more respectable, I think, if I eat you because I'm
Yes.
hungry than if
You think
I
that's
decide.
respectable?
I-
That's respectable. Are you sure you're using the right fucking word? Respectable? It's respectable to just fucking live to eat?
Player standing. One enemy remaining.
Okay, ready?
Last player standing.
I never said the dog refusing to eat you was a smart decision. I
But
just
you-
said that the
you're
decision
respecting
they
it, and
make
I'm
is
not
more
respecting it.
respectable.
I'm not respecting that decision because there's no reason to respect it.
Yes, there is.
Like, why does it have loyalty to me when I'm fucking dead? Eat me.
because it
like,
loved you. That's why.
I don't need it to love me when I'm dead.
It's not about what you need. It can't help it.
Okay, but it's about what it needs, and it needs to eat.
It can't help loving you, Sarah. God damn it.
It's fucking stupid.
You know how much anime there is out there? Like, if I knew what the fuck someone was talking about every time they named the anime, then that would be a problem with me.
What the?
Hmm.
Already out. What the?
So how-
Just backside.
Enemy remaining.
I don't think you're missing the point. It's not, am I capable of doing
I think
something?
he is missing the point.
Oh, sorry. I think you're missing the point. Oh
Get
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
fucking
Okay,
chicken
yeah. I talked about this. It's like, fuck. I'm distracted by my deathmatch. It's like,
Last player standing.
Fuck,
One
East,
enemy
oh.
remaining.
Nice.
and like starving
Yeah,
is
it would
not like a
probably
nice chill thing. Starving is fucking terrible.
It would probably feel like shit.
Yeah.
And you would
And I wouldn't be
probably-
like, I wouldn't
and-
I wouldn't see that happen and be like,
Yes.
respect, man. I respect the loyalty. I'd be like, no, eat me, because that's like a normal reaction.
Oh, 100 close doors, close doors.
Nice.
Nice.
Pretty sure they're last A main. Last two A main.
Enemy remaining.
Last one A
He's
main.
main too.
Oh, behind.
Close doors. Oh, nice.
Like you said, starving isn't fucking fun. That shit sucks. And the dog, despite that, the dog still doesn't eat you. That says something. That says a lot.
Yeah, a lot about how fucking dumb the dog is.
I fucking knew you would say this fucking shit.
Enemy remaining.
At the start of this argument, you accepted that the dog wouldn't eat you. But now you're saying, oh, the dog probably
Alright,
would.
fine. Dog doesn't eat you, still fucking dumb. Don't respect it.
You're a fucking alien. Just emotionless. It is for the future, for the purpose of survival. We must live on.
Yeah, but it's more than one guy.
That's kind of good trade, good trade.
Spike down. C.
Okay.
I just... Your point is so dumb.
My point is dumb.
Yes.
You can't even fucking say yes. Fucking can't even struggle coming out your mouth.
Yes, your point is...
Yes. I'm right.
She said another fucking thing about peeking, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. She's gonna say something about that too. Watch. Seems like we don't have to peek.
Rena, can you stop peeking, please, and thank you. Girl boss.
I used to hunt for my food all the time. Now I just capture and kind of feed animals. Some people just aren't cut out for it, I guess. Some people just aren't cut out for fucking looking at an animal in its eyes and fucking murdering it. But, you know. Some people are just not made, not built for that thing.
Some people just don't live the thug life.
Yep, free kills are here. That guy is so dumb. You literally gave him every sign that you were there.
Because the fucking lurking brim. No one sees it coming, man.
Yeah.
I love when our
Except
controller
the
lurks.
Smoke on B, the molly. But no one sees it coming.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I used to kill tarantulas as a game. What the fuck?
That's fucked up. How do you even have access to like tarantulas where it becomes a thing like that?
Backside hit 35.
We do not lose those. Holy fucking shit. I'm so done. You actually walked over the Spectre.
And you think you're always right? It would be different if I wasn't always right, is the issue.
Okay, and that's. You hear that statement? Like,
I got my shorty. What the fuck?
you're just lost, aren't you?
He just dashed on me and then was gone. Like,
I see you just spinning around.
it's like perfect for you.
What the? I dropped a frenzy if you want that. Oh my god. What?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That guy had 56 HP. We just lose.
Wow.
We already pushed up.
What the fuck, dude? She just wallbanged me. I don't even know how she saw me.
Good kills. Good kills. You guys are crazy.
Already out. Nice.
He's market.
It's on
Good
market.
shit,
Oh my
baby.
god.
Let's go.
Response.
Cancel.
Can you ult? Actually, never mind. Nice. Job. We go see. We go see here. Fast see.
Just making noise, eh?
Fucking carrying me so hard.
1B.
I'm coming up. I'm coming up. I'm gonna blind this. We swing. Swing on my blind. Here. Oh.
30 seconds left.
God bless. Please just get on the fucking site and kill these people.
Like, their team deserves to win this fucking game.
Oh my god.
Like, this is unreal.
One enemy remaining.
No, no.
Saboteur in Narnia.
Bitch, you're so fucking bad.
Climbing.
Spike planted.
No! One's in garage. One's in garage.
I think.
Yeah,
And one's cubby, one's long. You hear him.
Did she have a judge?
I can.
Clear right now.
Nice.
Trying to flank, I doubt it.
Other one.
Oh, why are you running, Tyler? What the fuck, man?
We gotta talk about it. What's going on, man?
blinded me, bro.
Bro,
Do you have a heal?
One gen.
Wait,
Oh,
no, he's
no.
fine. Hale should be there too.
Kiss your mother with that mouth.
My mother's dead, so.
Nice job.
Nice.
Good thing I res that guy. Don't run it.
Just dog it.
Oh, wait, close! Oh my.
Let me blind this.
You just got fucked.
Some shit.
Warm up.
I made a friend.